Hey gamers, it's Kristin and I have the wind with me, the curtain ghost today, but it is so nice. It's like a crazy break in the heat and humidity that we've had. It is currently 66 degrees outside. It's crazy. This is not normal for August, but we'll take it. I have the FabFitFun Fall box to share with you guys today. I am a FabFitFun partner in as much as they send me the box for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I know there are some sponsored videos. Mine is not. I do have a code listed below that is my name. If you use that, I get a little spiff off of that. If you want to, great. If you want to find somebody else's, that's fine too. Whatever works for you, I will have that listed below. FabFitFun, if you are not familiar, is a quarterly subscription service. This particular box, well, they all sell for $50, and you can get $10 off if you use my code. And it comes quarterly, and there are a lot of really great products, and I really like it. So let's just go ahead and jump in to what is in this quarter. I was gonna say this month, this quarter's box. I've not peeked at all. I'm actually filming this on the 13th. I think yesterday was the first day we could share it, but I was out of town and I hadn't even looked at it at all. So, all right, I have found a spot to put it where I was not blocking my light. There's always a nice magazine that's nicely well put together that talks about all of the products in there. This quarter it has Meghan Trainor on the front of it. I do like me some Meghan Trainor. And there are pages right in there that shows what's in the box. And I like to open it up to that in case I have a question about a product. I can reference that for you. So there's always some sort of add-in flyers there. All right, so the first thing I see here is Trace Atique, I'm going to guess, is the brand. And there are 4 pencils in here. This says, create a gorgeous eye look with the soft brow pencil, long-lasting wearing eyeliner, and velvety smooth crayons. So it almost looks like you're opening a box of crayons, like back to school. So they all look like they are open, but just laughing. First I'm going to be like full-on model with the wind blowing. They look like they're open, but they're not. That's a cap. And so this one for sure is retractable. I will let you know about the rest of them. But it looks like a nice black eyeliner, nice cute little size. And this is the mini eyeshadow crayon in Kona Coffee. That's a nice pretty brown. So that's the liner, that's the crayon, or the brown, you know what I'm saying? This is in Pink Pearl. I think the packaging on this is so cute. And they are very creamy. There's a nice, you know, like a nice to it. I think that's so cute. That packaging doesn't take much really for me. And then this is the mini brow pencil in Americano. So it has a triangle, that triangle sort of shape. And just trying to get a little bit so you can see kind of the shade. So that'll be interesting to see how that works. So that's the first item. That set retails for $48. So that's a good deal. The next thing is a wallet cut from the cloth. I didn't know that they did. I knew they did, you know, like jeans and clothing. I didn't know that they did anything else. And this would retail for $60. It's really cute. Get that on there. So, kind of your standard credit cards there. Pocket here. Oh, nope, just the one pocket there. I thought maybe there'd be a pocket behind here, but nope. So, and then you could certainly stick, you know, cash right in there. Cute. All right, the next thing, I opened these up to smell them. They smell like melon or green apple or something. They are exfoliating sugar cubes. It says these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. And these retail for $16. I think the packaging is so fun on that. I'm kind of curious, are they squishy? A little bit. Interesting. Very interesting. I'm excited to try those. We'll see. I'm setting those just down there. We'll see how those end up. All right. The next thing is a body souffle from Humankind, and this retails for $18. It says, lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. Well, I got some out unintentionally. Let's just see. Oh, it's pretty. It's kind of florally, I would say. I was trying to see what it said that it was. Apricot oil and shea butter, but I feel like it smells a little florally, but not obnoxious. So, there you go. I was trying to take the top off, and anyway, I ended up getting a little... Doesn't matter. Okay. I mean, seriously. This is the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. Interesting. Let's see what this says. It says zen out whenever you... No, it does not say whenever. Wherever you are, with the relaxing blend of vetiver, chamomile, and sandalwood. I like all of those. That does smell really good. Huh, interesting. That's one of the things, I've said this before, that I like about this box, is that it's things that you will use and for the most part enjoy. There certainly have been products that I've gotten here that I was like, not my cup of tea, and I would share with somebody. But even if it's not something you would use, again, it was something you would share with somebody, but it's something you wouldn't think about getting for yourself. And I just like that. I think that's neat. So, ooh, these are pretty. So there's some earrings from Bubble Bar. They are the... crawlers. Yeah, ferret ear crawlers. All right, so these retail for $34. Those are very pretty. Let me get them out so you can see them not through the packaging. Yeah, those are very pretty. I think they can go either way. I think they can go like that or they can go up your ear. I think I would just wear them down. I'm not that cool, y'all. Next product in here is from Aveda. I love Aveda products. I used to use all their hair care products back in the day. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It's a leave-in treatment for your hair. So let me see if I can locate that. It says infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling. This retails for $30. So yeah, like I said, I love it. I love the smell of Aveda products too. They're very like natural and wow. The next thing, so I lost my train of thought. It's a very natural kind of earthy scent usually. You guys, there's a flat iron in here from Mica. I feel like I used to have an Mica one way back in the day, long before I did YouTube, and really liked it. And I don't even know what I ended up doing with it. But anyway, this is the Mica Strand Perfect Ceramic Straightener. Retails for $80. I guess the box only sells for $50, and if you use my code or anybody's code, you get $10 off of it. It's a really pretty peach color. Yeah, that's awesome. And I have one from, I say it Chi, I think, C-H-I. I think it's Chi. I don't know. I've had that one forever that I use, but it'll be awesome for me to have one for my travel. So I'm really excited about that. So that is everything that came in my fall FabFitFun box. There's always good stuff in these boxes, you guys. Sometimes, and if you take a look in here, every box is different. So you can get one of multiple different things. And if you if you subscribe to it for the year, then you get early access and you can go and kind of pick and choose things as well. So yeah, super excited about this. If you have any questions, let me know below and I'll see what I can do to answer them. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and in everything that you do and say, be beautiful. Bye.